Hello everybody, this is AustinEndO here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can play Android games on your computer, guys. So I will be giving the links in the description below, so please do check it out. It will open this website over here, BlueStacks. So make sure you download this over here, and the download will start automatically over here. The installer will just download, and after the installer is downloaded, you will download inside this installer. So it's very easy procedure. So after you download BlueStacks, just install it in your directory and it will be there in your desktop over here. So after you open BlueStacks, it will be something like this. These games won't be there. You can also play Call of Duty or PUBG Mobile on your emulator. So you can just go to Play Store, which will be there on the screen, and you can just type in any game like Call of Duty. Yes, it was just there. You can install just normally how you use your Android phone. It is just same like that, no difference. If you press F11, it goes full screen, so that is good as well. Even if you type in the PUBG, you get those both as well. So this is how you can play Android games on your computer, guys. I hope you all like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please do leave a like, share this video as much as possible with your friends, and I'll take my leave now, guys. I'm AustinEndO here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care everybody.